We all must have heard these words at some point in our life. If not the entire phrase, we definitely scream for ice cream. Well, at least as kids. Ice cream is a dessert that everyone enjoys. The joy of enjoying an ice cold ice cream transcends the boundaries of age, cities, and countries. You shall find ice cream lovers in every nook and corner of the earth. जब आप आइसक्रीम के बारे में सोचते हो तब अमूल, वाडीलाल, क्वालिटी वॉल्स, बास्किन रॉबिन्स, मदर डेयरी जैसे नाम याद आते हैं। पर एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसने अपने लिए एक अलग नीच एस्टैब्लिश की और वो है नेचुरल्स आइसक्रीम। नेचुरल्स आइसक्रीम की शुरुआत एक सवाल से हुई जो इसके फाउंडर रघुनंदन कामत के मन में आया। If ice cream can have fruit flavors, why can't it have real fruits instead? Had it not been for this thought, we would not have ice creams with fresh fruit pulps and without any artificial flavoring and preservatives. Mr. R.S. Kamath was born in a small village called Mulki in the Puttur Taluka of Mangalore, Karnataka. His father was a humble fruit vendor. At 15 years old, his family moved to Mumbai to help his older brothers out with their eatery. It was a Udupi restaurant called Gokul that served ice cream. Mr. Raghunandan did small menial tasks of cleaning the table, washing dishes, etc. But ice cream was where his interest lay. He wanted to create something unique with ice cream that would set Gokul apart from other South Indian restaurants. However, his brothers were against all his ideas. In 1983, when the restaurant business was separating, Mr. Kamath took his share of money to set up an ice cream parlor. Before Naturals ice cream, the ice cream parlor culture was almost non-existent in India. That said, ice cream was a luxury item. Majority of Indians consume kulfi, which was relatively cheaper. He realized that he had to target a different set of customers. Hence, he set up his first 400 square feet shop in Juhu, which is a posh suburb in Mumbai with actors and businessmen frequenting the area. Worried about the success of his new venture, he decided to sell pav bhaji as well. He reckoned to introduce his ice cream to the customers, pairing it with hot and spicy pav bhaji made sense. The venture started with 5 flavors: Sitafal, Kaju Draksh, Mango, Chocolate and Strawberry. The production took place in the back of the shop and the 200 square foot front facing area was used for serving. After 1 year of establishing the shop, he ditched pav bhaji and concentrated only on ice creams. Kamath is very stringent about the quality of ice cream in terms of ingredients and taste. Hence, the milk is procured from Mumbai's Noble Dairy and only pharma grade sugar is used. Fruits are from selected vendors and the regions that they relied on for years. Production is done at one place in a factory in Kandivali. Mr. Kamath learned to identify the right flavors from his father, who was a fruit vendor, to make ice cream from his brothers and cooking from his mother. He used the knowledge he garnered from his family members to establish a business. After liberalization, Naturals ice cream faced competition from national and international ice cream manufacturers. However, Naturals' USP of serving ice creams made from actual fruits and offering multiple flavors made it stand out and survive the competition. To garner an edge over its competitors, Mr. Kamath created a special machine to deseed and prepare the fruits for infusion. These machines were the intellectual property of Naturals. As the companies had no insight on the machines, they would have had to rely on manual effort, which would be incomparable to what Naturals was doing. Hence, they had to serve generic flavors like vanilla, chocolate, etc. This helped Naturals ice cream flourish. Apart from this, Mr. Kamath listened to customers' suggestions, acknowledged them and put them to trial. He started expanding his business from the beginning by franchising it. Up until date, Naturals ice cream has stayed true to its tagline, "Taste the original." Excellent supply chain management, quality control and range of flavors has brought Naturals from one shop to having 129 outlets across major cities in India. The story of Mr. R.S. Kamath and his ice cream empire tells us that one does not need formal education, a fancy degree or heavy outside investment to start a business. You just need an idea, belief in yourself and the courage to take risks. Tell us why you like Naturals ice cream.